I'm Simon from Home Media. I'm here at the KEF facility in Maidstone with a number of our customers to give them some insight into the design and build processes involved in creating a KEF loudspeaker. The tour will last for approximately 4 hours, and we'll start with a visit to the KEF showroom where we'll be able to see a lot of the current products on display. We'll then move on to the KEF Museum, where we'll have an opportunity to see models from yesteryear and the decades of innovation that have been applied to their design. Our guests will then move to the Research and Development Department, where they'll have an opportunity to meet with the people behind the design of the KEF loudspeaker, and they'll then have a better understanding on how the designs and technical processes are applied to the development of a product. Our guests will also experience 2 essential tools used during the development process of a loudspeaker, including the anechoic chamber and the transient room. The anechoic chamber allows the KEF engineers to measure the behaviour of their loudspeakers during the design process by removing the effects of the room. Measurements taken from the transient room are the polar opposite to those taken from the anechoic chamber, where they rely upon a great deal of reflectivity to better understand the speaker's behaviour. We'll then move on to the listening experiences for the day, and our guests will have the opportunity to listen to a KEF 2-channel flagship music system, followed by a cinema surround sound experience using Dolby Atmos technology with the KEF inbuilt custom installation speakers. Next, our guests will be shown around the assembly facility, where they will have the opportunity to see the KEF reference series, the KEF Blade and the KEF Muon in production.
My name is Ron from KEF Audio. I've been with the company almost 30 years. We're based here in Maidstone, and we look forward to welcoming you here so we can show you around our facility, show you how we do things here, how we design, develop, engineer our loudspeakers. The thing I find most rewarding about doing these tours is not only welcoming Home Media's consumers to our facility here at KEF, but also to give them the full insight in how we do things behind the scenes, as well as the smile on their faces when they leave after they've had an enjoyable morning.